मधुवाता ऋतायते मधुशरन्ति सिन्धवः madharvana santoshvati means environment provides bliss to people, leading their life perfectly. Rivers bless us with sacred water and provides us healthier life. Night, morning, vegetation and sun bless us with perfect peaceful life. One of the finest conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken, said Leo Tolstoy. The relationship between human being and environment is important, and it is necessary that they understand and work to keep it strong. Nature has been painting for us infinite pictures of beauty every day. It is just that people fail to see what nature has to offer. It is for this reason that we have occasions like Earth Day to remind us of what we are missing out. Earth Day is an international event when people think of ways to protect our planet. At ecology, every day is Earth Day. We need to dedicate our time, resources, and energy to solving environment change and other environmental issues. Investing in our planet is necessary to protect the natural ecosystem that support all life, and investing in our planet is the best way to pave a path towards a prosperous future. It is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of nature. It is quite simple, as when we conserve the environment today, the future generations will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. Planting a sapling, holding placards, shouting slogans, going on rallies, all of this is definitely something, but not everything. No matter how small a step you are taking to lead a greener lifestyle, it does make a difference, because if everyone starts doing little bits one by one, it will turn into something big, like using reusable bags and water bottle. Make your home energy efficient. Planting a tree, going paperless, saving water, pooling cars, or using public transport. Our world needs to transform to a low emission, clean energy economy to This will require action at all levels, from city, state, and government to business. We each have a role to play in environment. दस कुपा समा वापी, दस वापी समुद्र, दस अंध सम पुत्रो, दस पुत्रो सम समुद्र means one step is equal to 10 wells. One pond is equal to 10 step wells. One sun is equal to 10 ponds, and one tree is equal to 10